Introducing GladWare Matchware Food Storage Containers, the perfect solution for all your kitchen storage needs. With a 20-piece value pack, you'll have plenty of containers to store and transport your food with ease. But these containers aren't just functional, they also add a pop of color to your kitchen with their vibrant rainbow design. One of the standout features of GladWare is its tight sealing technology. These containers will keep your food fresh for longer and prevent any messy spills. Whether you're a meal prep expert, a lunchbox packer, or someone who loves to fill their freezer, these containers are your new kitchen ally. Cleaning up after a meal is a breeze with GladWare. These containers are top-rack dishwasher safe, so you can simply toss them in and let the machine do the work. No more tedious hand washing, and with their heat-resistant and moisture-resistant properties, you can confidently use them in the microwave without worrying about them melting or warping. One of the most frustrating things in the kitchen is constantly searching for the right lid. But with GladWare, that frustration is a thing of the past. The interlocking lids ensure that you'll always find the perfect match, and the stackable design keeps your cupboards neat and organized, saving you precious time and space. GladWare is not just about functionality, it's about style too. These containers are designed to make your food storage look good. So, whether you're storing leftovers, organizing your pantry, or packing snacks, do it in style with Glad. These food storage containers are not only versatile but also convenient. They can be used in so many ways, as lunch containers, pantry storage, meal prep containers, and so much more. They are perfect for anyone looking to stay organized and keep their kitchen clutter-free. Rest assured, GladWare is made with your safety in mind. These containers are formulated without BPA, bisphenol A, ensuring that your food stays healthy and free from harmful chemicals. So, why wait? Upgrade your kitchen storage game with GladWare Matchware Food Storage Containers. Shop now and experience the convenience, style, and functionality that Glad brings to your kitchen. Note: to ensure compatibility, please check the product's ASIN and customer reviews before purchasing.